Do not buy or rent powered tools. Standard hand tools are sufficient for this repair. For most homeowners, a hand tamper, a sturdy shovel, a square of 3/4-inch plywood, and access to a vehicle will handle the job reliably. Start by clearing the area and marking boundaries so you avoid disturbing utilities or finished surfaces. Use the shovel to excavate loose material and obtain a level working base, keeping the hole slightly over wide so you can compact effectively without working at the edge. Place the plywood on top of the vehicle tire or on a concrete surface and use it as a stable platform for tamping to transfer force evenly and prevent point loading. Use the tamper in short controlled strokes and recheck level frequently. Compacted lifts should be about 2 inches thick for consistent density when using hand tools. If drainage is a concern, slope the repaired area away from foundations 1/4 inch per foot and mix in coarse aggregate for quicker water movement. Common mistakes include trying to compact too much material at once, which leaves loose voids and uneven settlement. Correct this by working in thin lifts and checking firmness before adding more. Another frequent issue is poor edge support, where the new material meets old surfaces causing crumbling. Prevent that by cutting clean edges, packing material tightly against the existing edge, and tamping from the inside out. A third problem is ignoring drainage, which leads to recurrent failure. Remedy that by verifying slope, adding a small layer of coarse stone under the final lift, and ensuring surface runoff is directed away from the repair. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easier to find quotes and expertise related to repairs like this one. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, troubleshooting advice, and personal experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and collaborate.